good what is good, YouTube? Today we're playing some, you know what game it is. Legendary Football. I have hands, bro. I have hands. This is my other account. I'm playing with my boy. I'm playing with my boy Anthony. So yeah, let's just get right into this gameplay. Oh yeah. So I'm not gonna be really talking because when I play Legendary Football, I'm really silent because I'm really focused. So yeah. And my brother, he might join my game, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, my boy Anthony dived. He stole it from me. Wait, alright. Dude, I got your blocks. Whoa. Anthony, what was that, bro? I'm asleep. Alright, I got a QB. Oh, thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright, I feel like they're gonna rush. Yep, knew it. Do you want me to push you? Yeah, bro. Dang it, bro. Hit me. That's you, bro. Fade back. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's my boss. Alright, thank you for calling the timeout. Alright, let me vote myself QB. Just in case someone wants to take it from me. So, yeah. My brother's joining the game. I only have like a 10-minute or 15-minute time limit on my video. So, yeah. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Oh crap, I'm being rushed. Oh no, my god. Oh, that's a dime. That's a dime. Dime. No, Anthony, bro. Come on. Oi. Yeah, same. Be right back, guys. Yeah. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, I'm back. I just got me some lemonade. That was good, man. So, yeah. Oh, crap. I got my ankles broken. I don't think y'all can hear that, but I got my ankles broken. Right. I know who to guard. This guy right here. That's my boss. Come on, bro. Just throw the ball. I have hands, bro. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a throw guaranteed. Maybe. What? I'm asleep, man. I got that. Watch. As you can see, bro. I, what? Alright. That's my boss. It's low. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, crap. My man open, man. My man, Ant-Man, is open, bro. My bad, bro. Alright. I'm gonna click pass right there, bro. That's him, bro. That's you, Ant-Man. That's you. That's you, Ant-Man, bro. Alright, now it's time to throw far. Since there's no one. Oh, yep, there is. Oh no. That's a complete pass for Ant-Man. Ah! OMG! No way! OMG! No way! No way! This guy stayed it back and caught it when I threw it to him. No way! And I'm recording. I'm posting this, bro. Guaranteed. That was crazy, bro. Bro, I need to add this dude as my friend, bro. Going straight to my friend list. I'm gonna run with this guy. No, he's fooling me, bro. Man, I gotta follow this dude, bro. He's a god, bro. He's a goat, bro. I don't know how he got that, bro. Alright, this is gonna be guaranteed a interception, maybe. Oh crap! What? Follow you? What do you mean? I didn't add you. I will. Oh, that was a complete pass, but I was gonna be a complete pass. I'm kind of lagging a bit, but it's okay because you know I can still catch it. I can still catch balls when I'm balls. That sounds so weird. Oh, that's a dime. Dime, bro. That was a dime, bro. That was a dime. That's my boss. I don't know Killer, but he might know me. Please throw it. Please throw. Dang, that's hands, bro. That's a nice hand, bro. That's my boss. 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 What? Julian's cousin. Bro, I'm recording. I gotta upload it. It will take a minute. I'm upload loud. You can just don't exit out. Wait, dude, yeah. People can hear your voice. I thought. It's gonna be like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Guys, here to stay. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah. My brother wants to play. That's my boss. Hey, bro, right here, bro. Bro, this is a dime for me. A dime for me. What is this? A dime. A dime for me, bro. Man, these boys need to listen, bro. And it's gonna be like 3 minutes just to get back off it, man. That's my boss. He's passing it to number 25. That's the only guy he passes it to. I missed my key. I was holding my key, bro. Ah, dang it, bro. Oh, crap, bro. Oh, oh, that's an interception, bro. This is 15 gigabytes. Bye. Bye, YouTube.